Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. I have a 16-month-old and he is constantly trying to steal the remotes and our phones. So I was trying to find something that would look realistic enough that he might think that it's actually his own. This 2-pack from Liberty Imports, my first TV remote control and mobile smartphone, is perfect. Remote actually has English, French, and Spanish on it, so he can learn while playing. These are perfect for keeping him occupied in the car on long rides. He loves pushing either the same button constantly or separate buttons just to see what they do, and when they light up, he gets really excited. The smartphone has 18 different app icons that all make a different sound. I think one of my favorite things is the rewind and fast forward sounds it makes, just to remind us of our childhood with VHS tapes. The realistic look and how many options there are for sounds on this has been so perfect for keeping my son busy either at home or in the car. And it's one of our favorites, but that's just my point of view.